Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn indoor games. Before starting video, please subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe yet. So let's start video. First is board game. Second is word puzzle. Third is Ludo. Fourth is video games. Fifth is chess. Sixth is table tennis. Seventh is carom. Carom या carom. Eighth is snake. Ninth is building block. And tenth is cards. Thank you for watching complete video and please like video and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.